full of it when you said you wasted kindness on me. But you are nice, because when I fight a dude, it's nuts or nothing!
Yeah, you are dreaming. See, a woman like Makima is way too good for a thug like you.
Huh? What the hell? I bet you're just saying that because you want her all for yourself, huh? Numbnuts!
You weren't joking. Just went for the balls. Nothing else. All balls.
A testicle devil appeared and went apeshit on his nutsack, ma'am.
No, he's lying. He made that entire thing up.